What's up, guys? Ripping a box of 2015 Leaf Wrestling 8x10s for Josh L. Good luck, Josh. See what you got, buddy. Wow. Jeez, zoo. Oh, wow. Man. Got yourself a nice box here, man. Starting off with this baby. Got a WWE. Holy moly auto. Yes, we are, Tyler, in October. Let's see. We got a whole bunch of names on here. Congrats, Josh. $1 Million Man, Ted DiBiase. Virgil, his bodyguard. Tatanka, Nikolai Volkov. Jimmy Hart, the Mouth of the South. Ivan Koloff, Honky Tonk Man, Mr. USA, Tony Atlas, The Godfather, Hurricane Helms, Marty Jannetty, Ashley Massaro, Sonny, Gangrel, Carlito, Rikishi, Miss Kitty, and Don Morocco. All autographed on one 8x10. Cool hit. Congrats, Josh. Yeah, we're going to be like east of Orlando, Tyler. We'll be like east of Orlando. East, northeast. After that. Yeah. Kelly. Best stuff of the year, Maxim. It's like a Maxim picture of Kelly. I have one, Carver. Allen Iverson's standing there. I used to have a couple, but now I only have Allen Iverson. After that, that is Dan Severn. Dan Severn. Guy's got all sorts of titles. Dan Severn. After that, Gerald Briscoe. Autographed 8x10. Gerald Briscoe. Nice nips. And last but not least, well, I wish this was a dual autograph. Still cool. The one and only Mean Gene Okerlund. Shame that doesn't have the Macho Man on the other side. Still a cool picture of Mean Gene with Randy Savage. 8x10 Mean Gene Okerlund. And that'll do it for Josh L. Good box, man. Couple cool hits in there. Appreciate it, buddy.